If you are using or want to learn N8N in 2025, I'm going to teach you something that will make it 100 times easier for you. It's no secret that AI is evolving at light speed, and it's not going to slow down anytime soon. So if you're anything like me, always feeling like you're getting behind, with so many new N8N videos, AI model updates, and new N8N versions every single week, I needed to find a way to stay ahead. And that's why I built this automation that sends me all of the most important N8N updates and creative workflow ideas, while also filtering out all of the noise. So in this video I'm going to walk you through how you can set this up for yourself and teach you how it works, so you can also make your own tweaks to make it as powerful as you want. So this starts by getting the newest N8N releases from GitHub. It then grabs new workflows from their official blog and also from the subreddit feed. Then it performs some AI magic and sends me a clean email to my inbox. So let's not waste any more time and see it in action. And there we go, we have the latest updates. Anthropic Node integrate workflows with Anthropic AI services, AI assistant powered by MongoDB. We have this workflow idea, LinkedIn enrichment bot, and here it's not quite a workflow, but it's still something worth reading. And I just want to emphasize that because I programmed the workflow to be very selective, I only got one workflow idea. And that's because I would rather get only a few creative and useful workflows than to get a lot of basic ones that I've already seen 1,000 times. And I know it's probably obvious, but these links take you to the original post so you can read more if you're interested. So the way this works is very simple, and if you don't care how it works under the hood, you can jump to the time you see on the screen. As I said in the beginning, it starts by getting the newest N8N releases from GitHub. It then grabs the new workflows from their official blog, and finally from the N8N subreddit feed. In this red block is where all of the noise will be filtered out by the sentiment analysis AI nodes. And just so you understand how this filtering works, this is the system prompt for the new N8N releases filter, and it is going to tag the content as useful and not useful. So this AI node will be looking for major version releases with significant functionality and ignoring minor bug fixes, patch releases, documentation updates only, stuff like that. And these other two AI nodes have similar system prompts to filter out workflows. So they would consider useful content, creative workflow examples, posts showing unique automation scenarios, real-world workflow use cases, and ignore simple workflows, basic to-service connections, generic best workflow lists, stuff like that. And after this filtering step, the useful content will go to the next phase, and the rest will be redirected to this no operation node down here. And from here is very simple. This yellow block will make a summary of what each workflow does, and this green one will limit the number of outputs so we don't get a huge email. This AI agent will write the email and then send it to us. What I would change on this workflow to make it more powerful is, for example, changing these limit nodes for AI ones, so that instead of just choosing random content, they would rank it and then only use the best workflows. Another massive change you could make to this workflow is to add more branches like this one. So instead of only getting information from these 3 websites, you could get ideas from way more places and basically get infinite workflow ideas. And also add search tools to this agent so you can confirm that all of the information is legit before sending you the email. And now that you know how it works, I'm going to help you set everything up. So the first step to set up this automation is going to be grabbing the JSON file from the workflow. And to do that, you just need to go to my free school community. The link will be in the description. You are going to click on YouTube videos and search for the title of this video. Click on this post, and here you are going to see a JSON file. You are going to click on it and download. And now if you don't have an N8N account yet, you are going to search for n8n.io and click on Get Started. And here you are going to sign up completely for free. Create workflow. And now we need to import the workflow we just downloaded from school. So here we are going to click on these 3 dots, import from file, choose the file, and upload. And now you are going to set up your credentials, so you are going to click on this AI node. And if you don't have an OpenAI account yet, you can watch the video in the description that will explain you how to do this. Back to Canvas. And now you just need to click on this Gmail node. And here you are going to set up your credentials. You can watch the video in the description if you need help doing this. And here you are going to put your email. And now let's hit save and test the workflow. Okay, so everything is working great. And just look at how many information we got this time. So we have the Anthropic node, GitHub workflow endpoint, AI sentiment analysis, AI assistant with memory and smart search. We have 3 workflow ideas: virtual TikTok curl automate user interactions, LinkedIn enrichment bot, smart triggers for inventory and sales, and we have these 2 articles worth reading. And that's it. Now you just need to toggle these to active, and you'll be receiving new workflow ideas every single day. And if you'd like me to add something to this workflow and make a second video about it, you can leave me suggestions in the comments.